Hi guys, and welcome back to the Love Luxury YouTube channel. I'm Marya from Love Luxury, and today we'll be speaking about the Platinum Cosmograph Daytona reference number 116506. This beautiful timepiece just got into our store and I wanted to show you the watch myself today. The timepiece I have here with me is the Platinum Daytona reference number 116506. Daytonas are the most wanted and sought after Rolex watch. Your collection is never complete without a Daytona in there. This Daytona was released in 2013, celebrating the 50th anniversary of Daytona. The Platinum Daytona remained 40mm in size and it is 12.2mm in thickness. It features a case that is entirely made of platinum with a chestnut brown bezel. Moving to the dial, which I personally think is the most exclusive part of this watch, the ice blue dial, which is an exclusive dial for Platinum Rolex watches, and it can only be found in the Day Platinum, Day Date, and the Platinum Daytonas. As we can see here, the chestnut brown ceramic bezel matches perfectly with the subdials within the ice blue subdials. The combination of ice blue and brown is hardly obvious pairing, yet the overall aesthetic of the watch looks so natural that you almost surprisingly do not see this color combination more often. The warmth of the brown tone within the cool tones of platinum and ice blue delivers an unforgettable look that sets this Daytona apart from all the other watches. And here we have the tachymeter scale, which is a key part of the watch's identity, which is used for measuring the average speed in kilometers per hour or miles per hour. Moving on to the clasp, which is made of three-piece solid oyster bracelet, and it's made entirely of platinum. And of course, we won't forget the iconic red Daytona logo, which is visible above the seconds subdial right at the 6 o'clock. Moving on to the watch's box, which is similar known to any green Rolex box. However, it's much larger in size, and it's very impressive when you see it for the first time from the inside. As you can see here, you can lift the base of the box, and you have here some small compartments that you can use it to keep extra links, tags, straps, or you can even keep your own jewelry or cufflinks. As this timepiece being a 50th anniversary for the Daytona, Rolex exceeded everyone's expectations by producing this beautiful watch. They created not only a very special piece, but an instant collector's piece that targets not only Rolex lovers, but even Daytona lovers. The Platinum Daytona currently retails for almost £60,000 and it goes for more than £100,000 in the secondary market. This watch has so many lovers and fans. One of them is our director here at Love Luxury, Adam Abraham. That's why he decided today to join me in this YouTube video and give you more details about this specific timepiece and why does he personally like it. So here's the director of the company Love Luxury, Adam Abraham.
Hi guys, I'm Adam, and I really wanted to come onto the video today, guys. Well done, Maria, for doing such a great job on explaining this particular piece here. And yeah, I'm going to be showing my face more on these lovely videos. I want people to see, for example, the team that we have in place. So Maria's going to be more on our videos. You've got Emily videos, and also myself. So today, Maria's been talking about this lovely Platinum Daytona watch. So I've come on today because I've really wanted to speak about the watch and give you my personal opinion on why I like this watch. First of all, being a Muslim, we cannot wear gold. So for us, it's about finding that right timepiece that we can wear and that we feel good and comfortable with, that's also affordable. So I would normally, as growing up, I would normally stick to the Submariner steel watches. So, that's a watch that we can wear and sort of, we're allowed to wear in our religion. So with this particular piece, this was the creme de la creme of watches for me personally. So this is the watch that, as growing up, I'd go, wow, I wish one day, I could have a Platinum Daytona. So when this watch came in just yesterday, and unfortunately or fortunately, we've already sold the watch. So, you know, the person buying the watch will be collecting it tomorrow now. So when this piece came in, the first thing I thought to myself was, I really want this watch. To be completely transparent, it's a watch that I really, really want. In our business, business is business. So for me personally, I have to put my feelings aside, and we have to do what's best for the business, and it's growing the business. It's about putting the money back in the pot for us to reinvest and keep buying watches that we really do love. This particular piece, once again, guys, is probably my favorite Rolex timepiece because it's something that I can wear, and it's platinum, and it has that stylish, classy feeling that, for example, when you wear it, you just sort of feel like, you feel like the man. That's my feelings towards the watch, guys. And as you guys know, retail prices is around £60,650, I think, to be precise. And they are selling on the secondary market, if Marya hasn't told you already, for around 97,500 today, the 16th of August, 2022, guys. I know, guys, if you're going to comment in 2025 or you're commenting for 2019, guys, the prices are up and down like a yo-yo at the moment. So we're going by today's price right now, and that's this particular piece.
So thank you so much, guys, for watching us today, and don't forget to hit
like, subscribe, and comment, guys. Please don't forget to follow us. We're really trying to get those followers up, and please comment on the videos, and we really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.